Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm gonna be making French Fried Daikon Radish. Daikon radish is a very popular root vegetable in Japan in this season. In Oden or in miso soup or grated, these are the authentic way to enjoy daikon radish. Tastes good, but sometimes I am tired of eating the same things over and over. Crispy on the outside and soft and juicy on the inside. If you are also tired of French fried potato, you should definitely give it a try. Let's get started. Peel and cut the daikon radish into thick French fries. Put in a bowl, sprinkle garlic powder, sugar and soy sauce. Toast to coat evenly. Leave it 5 to 10 minutes to season. While marinating, let's make dipping sauce. In a small bowl, add in 2 tablespoons of Japanese mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of Mentsuyu or soy sauce. Mix well and sprinkle with some chopped scallions. Set aside until used. Drain the excess moisture well and transfer into a plastic bag. Put your potato starch into the plastic bag and shake well and toast to coat evenly. Heat up your oil to high, 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop in the daikon radish one by one and deep fry for 3 to 4 minutes or until the outside is crispy and golden brown. To make your French fry extra crispy, expose to the air occasionally a few times to evaporate the excess moisture. Take out onto a rack and drain the excess oil. Serve immediately with your dipping sauce. There you have your French fried daikon radish. You'll be surprised at the crispy exterior with a very juicy interior for the high water content. The savory aroma from the garlic and soy sauce matches the natural sweetness and slightly bitter daikon radish. Make this next time you make a sandwich or hamburgers. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese recipes. Share the video with your friends and families who like Japanese dishes. Follow me on my social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And please visit my website for printable recipe and more information. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!